All right, somebody I really, really respect in the crypto space, another fellow YouTuber, Invest Answers. He does a fantastic job of breaking things down from an analytical standpoint. And he is saying right now that Cardano could be ready to outperform Ethereum as a reliable indicator flashes Bitcoin bottom signals. So, Invest Answers does a ton of great, great work when it comes to deep dives into analytics, right? And provides some really good price targets and price predictions. So, in this video, I want to go over what he's saying about Cardano. And of course, with the Vassal hard fork right around the corner, a lot of people are expecting to see some positive price action and some positive momentum here for Cardano. So make sure you smash the like button if you're a Cardano holder or if you're just interested in maybe entering the Cardano ecosystem. And let's jump in. So here we go. Analyst says Cardano could be ready to outperform Ethereum as a reliable indicator flashes Bitcoin bottom signal. Now, don't get this wrong. It's not going to outperform Ethereum tomorrow and overtake it in market cap. That's not what we're saying here. What we're saying here is in the short term, Cardano could outperform Ethereum from a price standpoint right now. Okay. So if we scroll on down, we can see here in a new strategy session, the anonymous host of Invest Answers tells his 443,000 YouTube subscribers, he's really not anonymous. He's doxxed, I guess, but that he's been keeping an eye on decentralized blockchain protocol Cardano in relation to top smart contract platform Ethereum. Of course, Cardano and Ethereum both in the same space. Cardano's been called the Ethereum killer and what have you. I own both. Ethereum's my number one holding, Bitcoin's number two, Cardano's my number three. I love both in what they're doing. So he says everything bleeds against Ethereum right now, but here's the 88 ETH pair, and it's down 68% in 1 year. Sometimes it's important to zoom out and see exactly what's going on. It looks like it's putting in a pretty solid bottom, very close to that 0.00025 level. That should be kind of the bottom for Cardano. The analyst says that it will be important to see what happens with Cardano's upcoming Vassal hard fork when it's released. However, it has been delayed from its initial launch back in June. So this is the ADA ETH pair down 68% in 1 year. At the time of this writing, Cardano's down about 3% and trading around the 54-cent level, while Ethereum is off by less than 1% and priced at the 1860 level, give or take here. And the crypto analyst next employs the Puel multiple to gauge if Bitcoin has hit its bear market bottom. So then he gets into some Bitcoin coverage. But as it relates to Cardano, if we head back over to CoinMarketCap, we could see where Cardano is today. Everything else in the crypto market pretty flat today, give or take. And Cardano's still at that 54-cent range. But it is trending up here on the 1 day, slowly but surely after a little bit of a pullback yesterday. But if we zoom out to the 3-month here, we can really see what Cardano's doing. It's still setting higher lows, okay? And what that means is when we reach our low points, are we still moving up overall? And the answer is yes. We did dip a little bit back here, but not quite too bad. And we did move higher from this point, almost to 60 cents on Sunday when the entire crypto market was popping off. And currently we're sitting at 54 cents. Now, here's what I'm looking for Cardano in the short term. I think the $1 mark will be a psychological target for the Vassal hard fork. I do think it's possible. I know that that's a big increase from where we are right now. However, I do think we can get there. We've already seen 60 cents. I do think there's going to be a lot of pent-up demand once the Vassal hard fork is announced. Here's what I'll be watching for as well. Will they give time for the market to respond to the date that they give for the Vassal hard fork? That's going to be a big question too. Or do they just come out and drop it on our desk and then here it is, right? Now, long term, I think Cardano has a ton of room to run to the upside all the way to $5, I think, once we get back into a bull run. The all-time high is slightly, right at about that $3 mark right now. And if we scroll on down, we can find it right here. It was actually $3.10 set back on September the 2nd a year ago. It's 82% down from that price target right now. but I do think we can get there in a bull market. And obviously, this Vassal hard fork is going to help us get there. Now, we're going to have to continue to monitor when the Vassal hard fork will be released, but I love that Invest Answers sees Cardano potentially outperforming Ethereum, which, don't forget, Ethereum has a ton going for it too, right? With the merge. So we'll keep you locked and loaded here on all the information as it relates to Cardano and Ethereum and all things crypto. Thank you so much for popping in. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Definitely tap that notification bell and the like button before you head on out of here. Appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.